Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you just had problem on your iPhone Wi-Fi connection problem, so how you can also fix it. So first thing, just try to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to check your internet connection. So just find here Wi-Fi, just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can tap on Wi-Fi network and just tap on forget this network, and after you can also just try another way. So you can also just try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And after, just go to the general, just tap on software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So after, just scroll down in the general, you will find reset and just tap on reset network settings. So after, just submit resetting network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.